drone images have revealed a 50-meter stretch of illegally dumped waste, trailing along a disused road near the M2 in Kent. The discovery highlights a growing issue of fly tipping in the area, posing environmental hazards and potential health risks. Local authorities face the challenge of identifying the perpetrators and cleaning up the site. The task was daunting due to the volume of waste and the need for specialized equipment to safely remove hazardous materials. Authorities quickly mobilized a team to assess the situation. They used the drone footage to map out the affected area and coordinated with environmental agencies to ensure proper disposal methods. Community volunteers also joined the effort, showcasing a united front against illegal dumping. The cleanup operation was a success, with the site cleared and secured within a week. This swift action not only restored the area, but also sent a strong message to potential offenders. The incident has sparked increased vigilance and community initiatives to prevent future occurrences, highlighting the power of collective action.